Welcome you all. I am Raju Manji. In this video lecture, I will discuss about if and if else statement in VB.NET. If and if else statement in VB.NET console programming. So let us see simple if statement. For here, I am using a program when only no in greater than and print. It is very simple decision control statement. So declare a variable dim x comma y as integer, x equal to 10, then console dot write line enter the value of y, console dot read line, if condition are used. If x greater than y, then console dot write line x and hold the screen, console dot read line are used. In this program, here in only if statement are given. In this condition, the condition is true, then that statement will be executed. Otherwise, it will be execute and skipped. So see the output. Enter the value of 5. So output 10 because the condition is true. So that statement will be executed. Suppose again execute that program and enter the value of -5, then 10 because x always greater y. Suppose here less than y, then again you execute, enter the value of 5. So the condition is true, this condition is false, then it will be execute, otherwise skip. So enter any nothing, it will be print, again execute and display the output. Okay, it is very easy to simple if statement. Second, if condition if else control statement, if it is true then it will execute, then other part else part will be execute. If you all know that while condition is true, you are executing this part of program, but when condition is false, execute another part will be execute. There you can use the if else statement, and we write if else statement in VB.NET like this. If condition blank of the statement else block of a statement. So in this condition, true, whatever you will write, the condition will be execute, otherwise false, then else block will be execute. So see the program, else, then statement console dot write line, console dot write line not in, then execute the program. Enter the value of y equal to 11, not in. That means here not in, that means second part will be executed. Okay, we will discuss the another program to if else statement, how to work it. The program is to find the largest using if else condition. Suppose if the condition is given enter the value of x, enter the value of y, find the largest, x is largest, else y is largest. Okay, execute the program. Enter the value of x 3, y is 6. Okay, y is largest. That means the condition, we have solved the many problem of if else statement, or take using basic maximum of 2 numbers using if else statement. I hope you are understood the concept of if else statement. You have any regarding this, you are comment me. Thank you for watching this video.